How to use to and ing verbs. My learning goals. Reading. My learning goals.
This year, I want to improve my English so that I can get a better job. I am planning to enrol in a computer course at my local community centre because I enjoy learning about new technology. I would like to finish a level 3 certificate in customer service by December. I also hope to practice speaking English more often, so I have decided to join a conversation group at the library. In order to reach my goals, I plan to study for 2 hours every week.
Writing. My learning goals. What do you want to learn or improve? Why is this important to you? What course or plan will help you? When do you hope to finish? Grammar. To plus a base verb, the infinitive. Want to. Wanna. I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. Would like to. Like to. I would like to order a coffee. I'd like to order a coffee. Hope to. Hoped. I hope to pass my driving test. I hope to pass my driving test. Need to. Need. I need to pay the rent. I need to pay the rent. Have to. Have to. I have to work tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow. Plan to. Planned. We plan to go next month. We plan to go next month. Decide to. Decide. We decided to go swimming. We decided to go swimming. Learn to. Learned. He will learn to surf. He will learn to surf. Grammar. Verb plus ing, the gerund. Enjoying. I enjoy living in New Zealand. I enjoy living in New Zealand. Finishing. I just finished working. I just finished working. Avoiding. I try to avoid driving. I try to avoid driving. Practicing. I practice speaking every day. I practice speaking every day. We can spell practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E or P-R-A-C-T-I-S-E, American spelling or British spelling. In New Zealand, we use both. Suggesting. My friend suggested visiting her. My friend suggested visiting her. Considering. I am considering going there. I am considering going there. Continuing. Keep on-ing. They mean the same thing. I want to keep on improving my skills. I want to continue improving my skills. Give up-ing. I promise not to give up studying. Give up is the opposite of continue doing it. Grammar. How to talk about the past or future. The first verb changes. The second verb is always the same. I want to get a job. Want is the first verb. Get is the second verb. I want to get a job. I wanted to get it. Wanted is the first verb. It changes. She wants to get it. She didn't like to swim, but now she likes to do it. I enjoy learning English. Enjoy is the first verb. Learning is the second verb. I enjoyed learning English. Enjoyed is the first verb. It changes. Learning is the second verb. It doesn't change. She enjoys learning English. He doesn't finish working until 6 p.m. every day. My health goals. Reading. I'd like to be healthier. This year, I want to get healthier because I'd like to have more energy. To do that, I need to make some small changes to my daily routine. I've decided to go for a walk every morning so that I can get some exercise. I enjoy walking around my neighbourhood. I also plan to join my local swimming pool because I like swimming. It's the same as because I like to swim. I'd like to cook more meals at home. I'll continue trying new recipes, but I'll avoid cooking too much fried food. I also hope to eat less takeaway food, so I've stopped buying lunch every day. Can you remember it? Or do you have the memory of a goldfish? A letter to a friend. Reading. Letter to a friend. Hi Mila, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great week. I want to catch up with you soon. We plan to go to Rotorua next month for a weekend trip because we would like to see the hot pools. I hope to book the hotel this week. But first, I need to check my work schedule. We decided to drive there so we can see the nice scenery on the way. My partner wants to learn to surf, so we might stop at a beach too. Life in New Zealand has been busy. I really enjoy living here, especially going for walks on the weekends. I just finished working on a big project at work, so I have a bit more free time now. I am trying to avoid driving during rush hour in the mornings because bumper-to-bumper traffic is crazy. Also, I practice speaking English every day with my neighbours, which is helping a lot. My friend suggested visiting the local Saturday market, so I am considering going this weekend. I want to keep on improving my English, so I promise not to give up studying. Let me know if you are free for a coffee next week. Best wishes, Wendy. Writing. It's your turn. Put your own answers in this letter.